We had a client at the Medicare family this week that received a large bill on their deceased family member from an ambulance, and the bill was from 2 years ago. They've already closed the estate. Do the heirs have to pay this bill? And the answer is no. The ambulance company had 1 year to file the claim with Medicare. So they also needed to file their claim against the estate before the estate was closed. So this is all their fault. And too many times people are getting all these bills. There's so much legal paperwork after someone dies that they're like, they're probably paying things they don't have to pay. And I think that a lot of the creditors are kind of trying to be misleading on that. So before you pay a bill after someone has died, you're going to have to take some time to understand, do you have to pay the bill? And many times you might be dealing with your parents and you don't really understand the insurance that they had and if they had any type of assistance and how the rules work. Now, AI's made everything a lot easier, but so often AI gives incorrect information. Just every single day I get incorrect information from AI. Every day I yell at it and I say, why are you giving me outdated information? That was from 2024. It's like, oh, you're right. And I'll say, give me updated information for 2026. And then it'll get me updated, but it's 2025. So you have to kind of know where the answers are before you try to rely on AI, but it could still help you if you're trying to navigate somebody else's insurance. I mean, understanding your own insurance is hard enough, but when you're trying to help a family member, it's really hard because you're not 100% sure who can help you. Do they have an agent? Will their agent get involved? What insurance company is this? The insurance companies merge and they change their names and all that stuff, and I don't know who to call. So hopefully you have an agent or you're working with us at the Medicare family, because that's one of the things we do is help you after you enroll. When there's problems, when there's illness, when there's death, when the claims come in, to try to help you navigate this healthcare system. Now, Medicare will send you a notice, a quarterly notice of a Medicare supplement telling you, hey, these are all the claims. So you should be able to look at that notice and have some idea what's going on. But again, there can be fake stuff on there. And a lot of doctors take forever to file their claims. So there's a lag. And if they wait too long, they're sleeping on their rights. So if you learned something in this video, please give me a thumbs up, follow, share, something. Thanks for watching. Tune in again next time. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare family.